and welcome to Cyber Academy. So it is a portal where we can learn computer science and engineering stuff. So let me first introduce myself. So my name is Atul Kumar and I'm a full stack Java developer at Cognizant. So you can see my resume here. I have a 3+ year of experience in Java, Spring Boot and React. So I have worked for this clients as Travelport and American Express. So currently I'm working for American Express. And you can see that I have graduated in 2021 in computer science and engineering with GPA of 8.79. Apart from that, I have an interest in computer programming. That's why I used to participate in various coding challenges and used to write codes on various coding platforms as CodeSafe, HackerRank, LeetCode, and Gigs for Gigs. Apart from that, you can see I have a different kind of skills. So I have a hands-on skills on Java, JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, C programming, as well as C++. Also, I have worked on various technologies as JDBC, JSP Servlet, Spring Boot, Hibernate, REST, jQuery, React.js, and also work on various AWS S3, AWS Lambda, the cloud. And apart from that, I've used this low-code, say, email API, POI, various Spring Boot features, libraries in our various projects, and also had experience on these tools as JUnit, Mockito, and Kubernetes. And apart from that, I've used different kinds of web servers, application servers like JBoss, Apache, Tomcat, and work on various databases as MySQL, MongoDB, Oracle, and DB2 as well. And also have a hands-on experience on various IDEs, Eclipse, IntelliJ, Visual Studio Code, and work on various version control as Git and GitHub. So this is pretty much about me. And apart from that, I have worked on various kind of projects. So I only mentioned 3 projects here. This 2 tab, but another project. And this is my college final year project, the personal movies recommended system. So thing is that what is this Cyber Academy and how can we utilize this channel to make our programming skills better? Okay, so let me first start with this part. So maybe you are a very beginner, you don't know anything about programming, or you are a college student, you know how to write basic codes, but you want to build projects for your placement, as well as you want to need this hands-on experience. Also, you don't know anything about competitive programming, you want to build your resume very attractive, and also maybe you are a working professional. You didn't get that much level of hands-on experience in your previous projects, so you want all those things in very basics to advanced, okay, in very much detail. So basically these channels will help you. It doesn't matter who you are, so we will provide you as much as we can. So also another thing is that I want everything very interactive. I want you that you utilize this channel as well as my knowledge, and also I have a lot of connections, so we will help you as much as we can, so you can utilize this channel as much as possible. So these are some lectures which I already uploaded. This is about C programming. So suppose you are very beginner, you don't know anything, you can go through this playlist. And this is about Java programming. Suppose you want to start to learn Java programming, so you can watch these lectures as well. Now another thing is that suppose you are like preparing for this fine company, so you need some guidance about competitive programming and as well. So for that as well, we have this kind of playlist about CP, okay, so in which we used to solve lead code questions, where we can discuss about things about competitive programming. So now I'm just telling you how can we interact it. Okay, so we have this LinkedIn account. So this is my personal LinkedIn account, so where I used to post all those videos. Suppose I will lectures on Spring Boot, so I will post those lectures there. You can follow me, and also you can message me directly. So here you can see that I started my BTech in 2021, and after that I have joined as intern, a full stack Java intern, and from that I'm still working for the Cognizant. And apart from that, suppose you are a very beginner and in college professionals, so you didn't know how to develop a project. So for that we will take help from various websites, and this one is first timers only. So suppose you don't know anything about open source project, you want to contribute, okay, on GitHub, you want to contribute on various projects which is still ongoing, so you can help from this website as well. When you go through this, we have various links. Suppose this one, so which is there as well. So here it is basically tells you how can you upload your first Git project, okay, and here you can choose that. Suppose you want to work on JavaScript, and also you wanna contribute in some projects, so you can choose anyone you want. So these kind of stuff, tools and website we're gonna use for our help. Also we will use this documentation of Spring Boot. So suppose you are a Java developer, you want to learn more about Java and also about Spring Boot, you want to develop and build those projects, we will help this website as we will take help from this website as well. So I have categorized our audience as a beginner and college students and working professionals. So let's start from one by one. Suppose there is a beginner who don't know anything. He just follow through the videos, okay, and which I did, anything, everything I have uploaded in very detailed, very much detailed. Okay. Also, this is the way I used to explain you. I used to build this PPT by my own, so I will upload those videos on these PPTs, and as well you can see that. Suppose you have any queries, you don't know anything, you just simply email me on these emails. Also, you want to get the live lectures, you want to learn on Google Meet, you want to learn on Zoom, you can email me there as well. And apart from that, I used to post every lecture. Suppose I'm working on Java programming, so I will upload each lecture on 3 p.m. every day. Okay, this is all about the beginner programmers. Those who don't know anything about programming. Suppose you are a college student, you want to learn about competitive programming, you want to learn about projects. So here, I basically used to code on lead code. So from internet, I found various kind of TSS sheet. This one is from France. So if you follow through various TSS sheet, you found that everyone has kind of similar kind of questions. So this is a day-wise sheet, and this one is basically a topic-wise, like arrays, recursion, string, trees as well. So depending upon our like kind of fine companies, we will follow through those sheets and we will discuss each and every questions in very much detail. And also I will guide you where you can practice. So you can practice on lead code, and as well as you can participate in the code safe. Okay, so if you don't have any accounts on these coding platforms like lead code and code safe, just go there and let me show. Yeah, so you can make an account like this and participate in various coding challenges that will basically help you in your coding interviews. Okay, so this is all about the competitive programming. Now, apart from that, we basically discuss hands-on experience. What about the hands-on experience? How can we get like a hands-on experience? Suppose you are working on Java, you are working in Spring Boot, but you don't have that level of hands-on experience which interviewer wants from you. So for that, I'm just building a plan that I will upload each and every project from very beginning. Suppose you have knowledge of Java and Spring Boot, but you don't have kind of hands-on experience. So this is the way. So this is first thing is that let me show. Yeah. So yeah, this one. Okay. Yeah. So in this way, I build various PDFs. Okay. This one is basically from supplyhouse.com. It basically actually I got this PDF from them. So they have asked me to build this project. So in this way, basically we will send you PDFs for various projects, because you don't know what you have to do for the next step. So suppose you are building this Spring Boot project, so where you have to start. So for like so we will tell you which project you have to build first, and after that you have to go for this, after that you have to go for this. This is kind of a to-do list project. It's a very simple project. Okay, so and also we will tell you what you have to do after that, so we don't have kind of plan. That's why we didn't get that level of hands-on experience. So for that we will help you what you have to do step by step. Okay, so being a working professional, your first priority is that to build your own projects. If you don't get any kind of experience from your current companies, so you can build your own projects, and also you can contribute on various open source. So for that already I have discussed this website, this firsttimersonly.com. So you can go there and you will find various open source projects and you will contribute them. Also for you, like if you want me to as well, so we will together start working on it, and I will share each project details in our GitHub. Okay, so this is my Git account, you can also go there. Okay, and currently there is no any contribution right now, but since I'm working for this MX and as well as with Striveport, I used to share all those works there and there Git. So here as well I will share all those details. Suppose I will work on some projects, then I will share that link there. Okay, this is all about those for the working professional as well as college students who basically wants hands-on experience. And apart from that, we will help this. We will take help from various documentation, various websites as well. And now, I have this Quora account, which basically I have started in my college days. So you can also take help from there. So I will upload each video and each details there. So these are the two spaces, the Programmers Cafe and the Cyberson Academy. So telling you can follow them. Okay, suppose you are like not aware of any things, you want to know like few things. Just suppose think this is about what are like different kind of views on Kotlin, why it is used for Android development. So this kind of general stuff, like anyone wants to know about programming, nowadays like AI is kind of on boom. So you want to more learn about artificial intelligence, you want to more learn about what is GitHub Copilot kind of stuff. So those information you can get here. So definitely, if you are interested, you can follow them. Also, if you thinks you have enough knowledge, you want knowledge from, and you want to share your information, you want to share your knowledge, you can also be a part as a contributor here. And also we have this another space, this Cybersyn Academy, where I will share each code. Suppose I work on some videos, so that I will also upload there as well. You can get every updates here. Okay, and also if you have any kind of questions in programming, anything, so these are our team members basically who can help you to answer all those questions, and here as well. So in this way we can make our lecture